guys, welcome back to my channel. But before I begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. So let's begin. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making lamb kebabs. So I have here a kilo of lamb mince, and I have here mixed with 1 onion and 4 green chilies. So they've processed that together. Now I'm going to add some chopped coriander, 2 tablespoons of gram flour, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 egg, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, a teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste, half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, a dash of lemon juice. I'm going to now mix this all up. This is now mixed up. I'm going to make this into patties and then fry them. So I've wet my hands. I'm going to make a ball and then press down. I'm going to fry these. So here we go, I've finished kebab. You can serve it with any sauce that you like. I've made a green chutney. Hope you guys enjoy this. Thanks guys for watching.